how to create a local account in Windows 11. So I'll show you how to create a user account on your computer that doesn't require you to sign in to your Microsoft account. So all you need to do is open up your start menu like this, and then just go and load up your computer settings. Now from the left hand side, click on Accounts, and then you can scroll down to Your Info. Now, if you're currently using a Microsoft account, you may want to switch this to a local account, and this means you can sign into your computer without requiring a Microsoft account. So I'm just going to go ahead and press sign in with local account. Now press next. You'll then have the option to create a new password for your computer, and you'll need this to sign into your account. Now you can go and leave this blank and then just press next. Once you're done, press sign out and finish. And once you're signed back in, you can see we're now using a local account. If you want to add more local accounts to your computer, click on Accounts from the left-hand side, and then you can scroll down and click on Other Users. Now click on Add Account, press I don't have this person's sign-in information, select Add a user without a Microsoft account. You can then give this user on your computer a name. You can decide to enter a password and press Next. Now, as you can see, we've created a second local account on our computer. So this is essentially a guest account that you can go and sign in and use on your PC.